credit card has been approved. $10,000 credit limit. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. Before we dive into today's video, I wanted to remind everyone watching that this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. So for today's video, we have a very special review, and this is a review that I've gotten dozens of requests for. So in today's video, we're going to be reviewing Citizens Bank. Now, Citizens Bank is a mid-sized bank, and they were mostly focused in the Northeast as well as along the East Coast of the United States. Now, I'm not sure if they're available in other states around the country. I know on the East Coast, they're getting pretty big and they've recently expanded. Now, I haven't been able to collect any firsthand data points up until recently because Citizens Bank just recently came to the DMV area where I'm in, or at least Maryland. I don't know if Virginia or DC actually had branches. Now, I spoke to a couple representatives at Citizens Bank, and apparently they bought up some branches from HSBC, so that allowed them to expand. Now, they didn't buy HSBC, but they basically bought up certain branch locations, and those branch locations have switched to Citizens Bank. Citizens Bank has recently been expanding aggressively, and I would say they're like an up-and-coming mid-sized bank, and I'm gonna be sharing some firsthand data points. So I actually went through the process of applying for a business credit card with Citizens Bank, and as a lot of you know, the Citizens Bank business credit card is one of the rare business credit cards that you can get with just a soft pull. So I'm gonna be walking you guys through the application process as well as sharing some data points on my experience. Now, before we go over the credit card review, I wanted to let you guys know about this current promotion right now. So there's several different promotions that Citizens Bank is offering. Now, this is on the personal checking. So if you open up a new Citizens checking account, you can get up to a $400 checking account deposit bonus. So it's broken up into two different activities. The first is you get $300 when you open up your first new checking account, and you make a direct deposit of $500 or more within 60 days. And then you can also earn an additional $100 when you use your debit card for purchases. Earn up to $2 for every debit card purchase you make, up to $100 within the next 60 days. Now, not every bonus offer is the same. This is just one I pulled up online through a basic Google search, but I was actually able to get a $600 checking account bonus. And this basically involved opening up a checking account as well as a personal savings account. Now, with the checking account, you have to make a minimum $500 direct deposit every month for a 5-month period in order to get the $300 bonus. And then there's an additional $300 bonus when you open up a savings account, personal savings account, and bring at least $15,000 of new money into that account. And you have to maintain that $15,000 for at least 90 days. So, all right, so let's walk through the application process for the Citizens Bank business credit card. Now, they give you the option to apply for a credit card, line of credit, a loan, or an equipment loan. So in this case, we're just going to be going over the business credit card. So once you select the business credit card, you're going to go to continue. All right, so on this page is going to ask you some basic information: first name, last name, email, legal business name, when did your business start, as well as the zip code. So you're going to want to refer to your articles of organization to get the precise month and year when you started your business. Now, if it's a new product, you're just going to select new product. Right down here, it asks for annual sales. So this is going to be your business's total sales for the most recently completed full year. All right, so on the next page, it's going to ask you to enter in some of your business information. You're going to enter in your business address. So make sure whatever address is the address that is registered with the Secretary of State. Right here, you're going to put in your business tax ID number. So that's your EIN number that you get from the IRS. All right, so after you enter your business information, you're going to enter some personal information, including your mobile telephone number, your social security number, date of birth, as well as your current address. And then right here, you're going to enter in your annual personal income. So that's the gross amount of income you reported on your federal tax return. This includes wages, bonuses, salaries, and investment income. Now, down here is identity verification. So you're going to select either a driver's license, state ID, or US passport. Now, right down here, it says authorization for the Social Security Administration to disclose your social security number verification. So they will be verifying your social security number through the Social Security Administration. Now, from here, they give you two options. So they have the Everyday Points Business MasterCard as well as the Business Platinum MasterCard. The Everyday Points Business MasterCard gets 2 points for every dollar that you spend, and you earn 3 3.5% back in rewards when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days, and then it's 1% thereafter. This also gives you 0% intro APR for 6 months. This is going to be the lower interest Business MasterCard. It looks like you're getting the 0% intro offer on purchases for 6 months. And as you can see right here, the range for the APRs are going to be much lower, starting at 8.49%. We're going to check this off right here and hit continue. All right, so it says application processing. This could take up to 2 minutes. We have a lot of work to do, so let's just see. All right, so it says, thank you for applying. We've collected a lot of valuable information that will help us expedite the review. In the meantime, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. Now, from what I've researched, it seems like the majority of the applications go to under review. So I'm not sure if this is an instant approval type of credit card. All right, so a couple days after submitting the application, I finally received an email. Now, it took about 3 business days in order to get a decision on the Citizens Bank business credit card application. It says, congratulations, your request for a Citizens credit card has been approved. A summary of the approved offer is below. So this is the Everyday Points Business MasterCard with a $10,000 limit, and you can expect to receive your new Citizens business credit card in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. All right, so let's recap some key data points about the Citizens Bank business credit card. So the overall process, it took about 3 business days from when I submitted an application to when I actually got an approval. Now, I did go in branch, speak with a representative, and open up a checking account prior to applying for the business credit card. I did start the initial business credit card application in branch, and they actually emailed me a link to continue my application. Now, I went through the application process, submitted all the information. Now, one very important data point is that they will be doing a soft pull on your Equifax credit report. So it's not a hard pull whatsoever. It's just a soft pull. Now, they also use a third-party company, and this is something that I wanted to share with you as well. So they use a third-party company called Linear FT. Now, basically what they do is help different financial institutions with originations and onboarding for, different credit applications. So this is a third-party company that does the outsourcing for Citizens Bank business credit products. Now, after submitting the initial application, I was instructed to upload the last 3 months of business bank statements. So just keep that in mind. They may ask you for additional information. It seems like all of the applications automatically go to review. So I don't believe this is a situation where you can get an instant decision on the business credit card. But one great thing is that there's absolutely no hard credit check. From some other data points that I discovered through My FICO forms, it also appears that you could request credit limit increases with just a soft inquiry as well. So again, I think this is a great option for anyone who is eligible. Now, there might be some geographic restrictions depending on where you might be located geographically. If anyone is interested, I've dropped some links in the description of the video. Let me know your comments and questions right down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.